Let's go play over there, Mommy.
Everything is so nice and green. Hmm? Those are our trampolines. Nice braai area. Here's a playroom where Caleb's gonna go and entertain himself. You can spot him running there. Hello there. You playing on your playroom?
I'm stopping.
Are you excited to be out?
What's this area? I'm doing the ball.
Okay.
Oh, it's coming right back. Oh, what's wrong?
There's it there.
I think.
Oh no. Here's it down there.
There's nothing there.
It's such a nice afternoon. Caleb had actually wanted to go play out a little earlier, but it was just so
I
hot.
see the ball over there.
Yes, it's down here. Come get it.
Where is it?
You threw it over.
I'm out.
There's a nice cool breeze. It really is so nice to be out.
Like the snake.
That's the swing. Do you want to go on it?
I got the ball down there.
You're not going to fall.
Let's see if the ball goes through.
Are you going to push the ball on the swing?
What are you doing?
Why are you not going on the swing?
Pushing. Ball by falling down. Down, fall down. You like that ball? Please, let me get him out.
Yes, the ball looks like it's having a lot of fun. Is that an aeroplane? It is too. There we are.
Where's it coming from? Let's go see the other side.
I think we'll hear if there's another one.
Huh? I hear it.
I can hear it too.
The ball, I can't do it. There you go. Yay.
When it's nice and cool like this, generally the buck and the duikers come out. We've seen quite a bit of monkeys.
Where?
The ducks, I haven't seen them out as yet. They generally come out a little earlier.
Mom, I see the ball over there.
It's late afternoon now, so it's about 5 p.m.
Mommy?
On hot summer days like this, I prefer to take Caleb out to play towards the afternoon because, yeah, the sun is just too hot. It's not nice. He gets sunburnt, heat rash, that sort of thing. Sunblock helps only to a little extent.
Mommy!
I can see it.
Where?
It's here on the bridge.
Which was in the bridge? How got in the bridge?
You threw it there.
Now who got it?
So this is the third aeroplane we've seen for today. It's definitely spoiled. There we go. It's hidden behind the clouds. It's descending. This is a sand pit that we have here with swings. So that's definitely a storm cloud. It looks like we're going to have a storm today. It's been really hot, so it's expected. Summer thunderstorms. nice and windy. I love this kind of weather. You can hear the wind.
What's that, Mommy?
That was a tire. I think it's broken off the swing. There, it's broken off there.
Oh, my ball is there.
Yes, your ball is there. We'll go get it just now.
Hello. What are you doing in the house?
So the wind has really picked up. I definitely think that it's going to storm. Probably in the next 20 minutes or so. I can hear faint thunder. Again, I love this kind of storm clouds have moved quite in. Caleb enjoying the sand pit. There's the 4th aeroplane. So we're driving. Spotted one of the bucks. They love to come out in weather like this. We don't want to startle or scare him.
There's another one.
Look at that, what a stunning sight.
There's another one.
There's 2 of them.
Where's feet?
Not sure if you can see,
Feet.
but there we are.
Where's feet?
There's one right in front of us.
And 2 front up.
There's 1.
2. 1 and 2. And where's feet? What's
The other is here behind the tree. There we are.
one?
So there's one here behind the tree.
And where's the 2 one?
Okay, the horses are there. We are.
And where's the other one?
Let's not scare it. Wow, such a beautiful sight.
And where's the 2 one?
I think the other one's gone. Okay, let's see the horsey. The horsey is
Sleeping.
there. We are.
No, almost.
Okay, so we've seen lots of wildlife today.
Sit.
So this is a nice spot to drive to. The last time we had seen a very big tortoise. It was huge. Hopefully we can get another glimpse of it.
Where's the tortoise?
Can't see it today, my boy, but we've seen plenty wildlife.
Wait.
Really exciting. Okay, another glimpse at the sky. Sure, it's gonna rain soon. Really windy. Here's some distant thunder. I'm sure you can hear the wind. The wind is so strong. Our pillows in our balcony flying.